I'm making slime. Sorry about the noise in the background, but it's just my mum running the kettle to make tea. Yeah, it's the same day as I made the slushy, but I'm just gonna upload these videos a different day. So I'm making slime. I found this recipe this morning when I was watching television. So just here's the recipe. So this is what we need. Just pause the video if you want, or I can just hold it up for as long as I want. Okay, hope you had a good read of that. Okay, so basically we need clear glue. I'm gonna use white glue because I don't have clear. Some water, 15-minute water, but we're gonna use some water again. So I'd say about 25-minute water. No, 30-minute water, yes. Some glitter. Well, you don't have to have glitter, you can have like any decorations like pom-poms, foam balls, anything. So, first, I need to grab my food find because if I've got white, not clear, I can't make clear. So, looks like we're using my paint. So guys, it looks like we're gonna use some of my paints to colour it with. Okay. So let's get a watercolour paper because I'm gonna use watercolours. I don't want to use my precious acrylic paint because I hardly have any of that. Okay. So now I'm just gonna get another jug of water. Oh. Also, if you want to, you can use a filter. You don't have to have one. Okay, don't mind her. No, late pajamas. It's 9 at night, nearly.
Yeah.
Okay, so gonna need grab a little bowl of that.
What's that for?
Let's use that for my water, just to clean up. Okay, so I can use this for clean water. Okay, my palette. So then, okay, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so I'm going to see if this works. I'm going to start and make it small, then I'm going to add to it, okay? I'm going to add to it, okay? So, I have my glue, and squeeze it in. How does it work? Does it work? I don't know how this works. Like, what do you do?
You can.
How does this work?
You got a piercing. Do you want a light on, boo?
No, I can see what I'm doing.
Okay.
Can you leave me alone?
Okay, yeah, sure.
Oh, I think I got it. I think I got it. I know what it is on there. That's stopping the glue. Just can't get it off. Hang on, put this light on. Right. Here we go. Got the glue. Okay. You got it. Okay. Guys, you can see me. Okay. Got the glue coming. So we're going to start off with Diddy slime. Okay. Very Diddy slime. Just remember, when you're using glue, like this glue, it has one of those lids where you twist it and that. Don't you wipe the top end off, otherwise you'll have a chore trying to chop off the top part. Because that's how it doesn't make it come out. Okay. So next I'm going to add some glitter. I think to this one I'm going to add orange and blue. Why don't the blue one work? Okay, so I'm just going to use a filter. You don't have to use a filter if you don't have a filter. So remember, I mean a funnel, not a filter. Okay, that's way too much. Right. Okay. Now I'm going to use orange. Oh, there you go. Right. Okay, that's a lot too. So, I've got orange and blue glitter. Now I'm just going to add some water. Okay. Good, just a little bit, okay, good, that's enough of this. Okay, add some water. Now I'm going to add some colour to it in a minute. So I'm going to get, I never get everything I need. Right, I'm going to get one of the old spoons. Trust me, I don't think enough. Well, yes, I do think, but sometimes I don't. Right, so I'm going to mix this now. Okay, it looks really bad at the start, like nothing's going to happen. You know what? I'm going to activate it. This stuff, slime activator. So it'll work. Don't you guys think? Activator always works. That works! Okay. Good, that's good. The activator works. And activation got activator. Okay, otherwise find another slime recipe. Or you can follow mine with my activator. If you don't have these ingredients. Okay, that's good. So I'm still whisking up this. How do you want to touch it? So I'm just going to leave that to sit there for a minute. Right, so I'm just going to scrape this out of my bowl. Okay. I'm just going to put that to the side. Oh my god. Stuck to here. Does slime come off towels?
Yeah, it should do.
Good. Because I tried to spin it back. Okay. Maybe just leave it to the side. Yeah, so it's coming together. So whilst that's happening, I'm going to add just a little, just do the same again. Just to make my slime bigger. Okay. Okay. Add that top. Right, now I'm going to add I don't need any more decoration, do I? Okay. Let's add a tiny bit. Well, okay. So now I'm going to pour some water in, activator, and just mix it up. to make it super light slime. Don't want to make it too slimy. Just a question, do you know where you get contact lens solution from? If you're from Northampton, tell me. Because I'm not in America here. I'm in England. So I'm not flying all the way to America just to get contact lens solution. So if you live in England, someone tell me where you get that from. Okay, probably shouldn't have done this. Okay, the slime has formed into a hot dog. So when you leave it to set, yeah, it just makes it into a slime a little bit more. Because look, it's very not good. So if you just leave it to sit for a minute and don't touch it, it'll work. Okay. It's fun to just watch. So I'm just going to play with it just to get that whiteness in. Sorry. Don't like to feel that. Whilst it's not activated. Can you see me? Yes, I think you can see me. Yeah, you can see me. Okay. Now I'm acting a bit wild. Okay. Nearly there. It's like a jiggle. Jiggle, wiggle, piggle and miggle. Okay. Right, so now I'm gonna I don't know what I'm gonna do. Definitely keep this in a container, otherwise it will go, you know, really not. What was that? Look, it's in the funnel. It's there! Oh, it's gone. Let's try and get it to come out again. So, here it comes. Here it is. Have your little POO. And then tip it up. Goodbye. Okay, the slime is nearly ready. Okay. Just need to play with. Can you see my hands? They're wet. Minging! Utterly minging. I really want to leave this to sit aside. If I leave it to sit here, oh, I can just sit on the... Okay, good. You can just watch it spread out. I don't have to wait for this thing anymore. Right, this time I'm going to do a different slime. So, I'm going... I hate myself so much. Sometimes, only sometimes. So, I'm going to use my finger. So I'm going to do purple and blue. Purple, blue, pinky. And I'm just going to wipe it on the... I'm just getting my finger and I'm going to rub it in the paint. You don't have to use paint unless you can find your food colouring, which I can't, and I don't want to hold you up. So listen to my finger. Okay. Just rubbing it on the bottom of the bowl. Wipe it on the tail. Now I'm adding the glue. It'll make it a nice colour. Yeah. Yeah, it'll make a nice colour. Yeah, it'll make a nice bright purple, like a pastel. Oh my god. Hang on a minute, guys. Oh gee. And I wonder what this slime is up to. Blech. You have to leave that sit. Right. You know what? That's what I mean. I hit myself sometimes. Okay. Now, I'm gonna add some nice purplish glitter. Like lots of it. So it's literally all like glittery. I'm just going to make this one colour. Okay, so now I'm going to add my water. Okay, add a bit. Now, my hands are so slimy, I don't like it. Don't add too much activator, otherwise what will happen is it will go too slimy, like just a second, like what I had. Right, so, hang on a minute. And if I get the sieve, so I'm just squeezing out the water. now pull that bit of the slime in. Okay. This part I can use it now. So now I'm just going to wash this through. Okay, so I think I got this. Right. So, now I got this kind of slime. So, it looks starting to get dark for you guys. Hello, is that better? Sorry. So this is the kind of slime I got. It's nice. It's white, it's purple and magenta. Do you like it? So very light purple. Oh, look at my hands. They're very glittery. Okay. Don't worry if you're using a towel as a mat, because that will just be fine. It will come off. Just say to Mum, it comes off, it comes off. They don't believe you. Just show you this part. 22 minutes and 18 seconds. Showing that part, because it does really work. Still they don't believe you. Try and get them to. It's even if you show them the evidence of the video. So this slime has come good. See, told you it would be a good slime. It's like all my slime videos. Big slime. Wait, if you make a blue tack slime, yeah, then when you use it, you can bring it anywhere with you. Because if you need blue tack, you can use the blue tack slime. Don't laugh at me. Right. So there are my two slimes. I'm going to make like more than that. There's like 4 slimes. There? Okay. So we're going to hurry. Okay. So now you kind of got the idea. Right. Bold. So this one's going to have a bit of the same purpley colour. I'm thinking I'm going to add like this red colour this time. So we're going to, I don't care what order I do it in. Right. I can't do it. I'm going to dip my finger in there. This time I think I'm going to do blue whilst it's still waiting. So, blue. It's working. Okay, so now I'm going to add some of my glue. Mind me what here. Can you just not care what order I do it in? I don't want 2 long videos. Okay, enough glue. Right, now I need to, I'm going to add an easier red to open. Okay. Ew. Okay, gross. Right, okay guys. So, sorry to keep you holding. Right, so I'm gonna add, right, okay, so I'm trying to find a colour that's easy to open. Okay, here we go, so we've got some gold. Right, put the gold back in. Okay. I'm gonna probably do like a nice, this colour. Okay. Can't get to open. Okay, I've got two colours ready already. So, oh, water. Right, so I've got enough for one more slime after this. So just grab that blue coming down. Yeah, okay. Come on, guys. How is this not working? Like, what's going on? How is it? No blue. Why is this one not working? Oh, it's just a gloppy mess. Look. I don't want to have to put number 2 down and number 3 down. The rain is super pretty. Okay, let's say goodbye to it. Bye. Bye. Okay. Right. So now I'm going to do these two colours together. Oh no. So now I'm adding orange and yellow and purple and dark blue. So I'm just gonna add that flow of colour into it. Because the water that's on it can just flow into that. Okay, so I've got my colour. So now I'm going to try to do this one again. We need to add the glue first. Okay, this is going to be the last one. Okay, right, that's my glue. Okay, so now I'm going to add some of the gold, my precious little gold, and some of my purpley pink. Okay, I'm not going to use green. I wanted to, but I'm not, because I hate green. I was like, why am I trying to make green? Like, why? Because I hate green. Okay. Now I'm going to add my water. Last bits. Good. There's already like slime. And I've got the last of my activator. Just a little. Only like 4 tiny drops. Not drops, just like 4 shots. So if you add too much, it won't work. Okay, this one will be a success. Better than the last one. So I think for this one, we got 3 slimes instead of 4. I'm not doing a third. Okay. And the 5th. So do it in order, never do it out of order. Right, so this one worked. It's cute, pretty much the same, and slightly different. Right. Okay. Let's just drip it onto my hand. Horrible. Horrible. Okay, horrid. I don't know, I not like the feel. Okay, just remember that. I love slime though. Okay, so it's cool, it's cool. So this is the slime. It's